Hi, welcome to Deelove Hair. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to resize a adult dome cap into a small dome cap. I'm making a wig for a kid. Her circumference is 20, but my canvas is 22, so I'm going to be using this small canvas. So first, you are going to start by measuring the circumference of the head of the kid you want to make the wig for. Okay? Wear your dome cap on the canvas head, then pin it down exactly at the same point. Okay? Now the next measurement is from front to nape. Place your tape on that particular spot and then bring it down to the number you got. Okay? Remember, you are using your own measurement. Mine is 13, so I'm going to place the pin on the 13. Then the next one is ear to ear. That's measuring from one ear to the other. So her ear to ear, we got 12 from her ear to ear. I'm going to make sure that the exact number I'm pinning is 12. Okay? I'm just trying to take the measurement again to make sure that I got the 12 I want before I move over to the next one. Let's move over to the next one, which is temple to temple. Did you notice anything while I'm taking this measurement? Can you see the excesses that is coming out? If you made any mistake of using this adult cap to make a wig for this kid, it's not going to come out well. Okay, as you can see the excesses. So I'm going to be taking the measurements for the temple to temple. My temple to temple is 12 and a half. So I'm just trying to make sure I get the correct measurement without any mistake. The measurements for temple to temple is not usually much from ear to ear. It's just maybe 5 inch or just ½ inch. The more you transfer your measurements, the more excesses come out from the dome. The next one is the nape to neck. Her nape to neck is 4, so I'm just going to divide the 4 into 2 and I'm getting half. So what I'm going to put there is 2 instead of 4. We are not yet done. Remember that we are using an adult cap, so that circumference area we have to make it tight. If not, all these measurements we just added is just, sorry, but it's just useless. So I'm just dragging it up while maintaining the particular spot I placed my pin. As you can see, I'm just removing the excess band around the circumference. After I'm done dragging the band around the circumference, this is the excess band remaining, so I'm just going to fold it. Yes, drag it while folding it. That is where we are going to sew and cut it off. That way when the kid wears the wig, it's going to fit in her head. Just see what I'm going to do in this video. is how it's going to look when you are done. This is how it's going to look. Now I'm just trying to show you how it's going to look after I'm done adding the measurements. Now, based on the excess net that came out, I'm going to show you what to do with that in this part of this video. Keep watching. I'm just dragging the excess net to make it smooth, okay, because I don't want it looking bulky. There's no need of it looking bulky. We have to cut it out. So I'm just dragging it to the front, to the side, anywhere I can, just to make it smooth. Keep watching. This video is self-explanatory. You are going to understand what I'm doing. So I'm going to pack more of the excess net in the front, because I want, when I put my closure in the front, so I can just cut it off instead of sewing it. That is why I'm packing more of the excess net in the front. Then by the side, I'm just going to, the little excess net that was remaining, I'm just going to sew it by the side, okay? Keep watching. I'm just showing you where I'm going to sew after putting it together and making sure that the back side is smooth. As you can see, it's very smooth. So I'm just showing you where I'm going to sew. Now let's start sewing. While sewing this, make sure that it's very neat, okay? Don't make that place you sew, don't make it bumpy, okay? Don't make it look bad. Make sure while sewing it that it's neat, okay? So I'm more like sewing it as if I'm using a machine, because I don't want it looking bad. And you should not worry, when you are adding your braiding hair, it's still going to cover that place, not going to show. We are seeing the process of sewing the excess net at the back. So I'm just sewing the other side. Make sure that while sewing that is very neat. So guys, this is the finished look of how it's going to look. I have successfully customized this adult dome cap into the size of the kids I want to make a wig for. Watch out, I'm going to post the video of the wig on this channel. Press the red subscribe button, and then after you're done adding the measurements, that is when you can now start adding your outline, where you want to place your weave on, whatever you are trying to do. You can now outline it, okay? So press the red subscribe button. Please press the thumbs up button of this video. Please press it. It's going to help this video to rank more, that way reach more people that are interested in this kind of videos. Are you interested in hairstyle videos, hair ventilation videos, braided wig tutorials, tutorial videos, everything related to hair? This is the best channel for you, okay? Seeing is believing. Just click on my channel and go and check other videos. You are definitely going to like what my channel is all about, okay? When you press the red subscribe button, press the notification bell and put it on all, so that if there is an upload from this channel, you'll be the first person to get notified. Okay, watch this video to the end so you see what I'm doing. Just like I said, I'm going to upload the video of the wig I made with this dome cap, so stay tuned guys. I love you all.